Gareth here today, and I just got off the subway in Glasgow, Scotland. And we are in the center, city center, and there's all these pedestrian walkways, all these historical buildings, and all these shops, like Greg's, or Scottish shop. And this is Janet.
Hi.
And we're going to cross the street. On the red light. There's Cafe Nero.
Theater, comedy, live performance, and then there's the film festival, there's the book festival, there's the campus festival. There's all sorts of festivals happening at the same time.
People were staring at me.
Is this a train station?
Yeah, that's Glasgow.
Okay. Well, that's convenient. So it's a mix of modern and old. The Daily Record and the Sunday Mail. So the cars do drive on some of these streets, right? So be careful. Also, the sidewalk is a little uneven in places. Glasgow Queen Street. So we have found ourselves in George Square, in the center of Glasgow. And there's no shortage of pigeons. And seagulls. And something going on here. It's the Royal Navy.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's the Seneca.
These died in war that we at peace might live. That's a fancy chain. A drone. Oh, you're flying it.
Does it ever do the sightseeing buses when you go anywhere?
We've done it before.
In Hong Kong.
Yeah.
But we have
So we're entering the Glasgow City Hall, basically. Council Chambers building. And I want you to notice that mosaic down there. And those mosaics up there. And the poppies.
Yeah.
So this is Provan's lordship. And it was built in 1471. Let's go in. Oh, don't slam the door. We're in one of the oldest buildings. in town. And the roof is, or the ceiling is right above St. Mungo and Cathedral. And I'm going to step back up here. I'll bet they don't want us to sit there. But it really doesn't say it. That does. That does. Oh. Guess that's the way it looked in 1473. Oh. So I found a circular staircase. Oh, shut up. I think I found the top. And there are a lot of warnings here. Something for the kids to do. Lots of steps and slopes and uneven floors in this place. Wood floor though. So this is Glasgow. This is Glasgow Cathedral. Is Janet going to take her hat off? And they're closed for lunch, so we just made it. It's noon right now. That's big. The gardener, Ginty McGinty's. Starting to rain again. The wee pub with a wee Taddy, a wee Chippy movement studio. And that was Ashton Lane. We're in the Kelvin Grove Museum. And they've got a lot of stuff to see here. We don't really have time. Gotta get back to the ship, but maybe this will be of interest to you. Sawfish. Squeaky wood floor. Tenants Festival, that's the kind of beer we drank. Made right here in Glasgow. Cold. Archibald McClellan. McClellan? Oh, you might be a relative of mine.
Yeah, I was going to say, it looks familiar.
It's gone.
Look up. Monkey.